welcome back to my channel. So as I said earlier, today we are going for our lunch. We have reached our location, that is Pirates of the Grill. It's a very good barbecue. We have been here for 4 to 5 times now, and I'll show you all the reviews, what the reviews are, how the service is, what the food is like, and everything. And I'll also tell you one thing that I will tell you in a second. So we have been waiting for the last 1.5 hours. That is half an hour to reach DLF, half an hour for the parking lot, and now half an hour to get a table. Finally, we've got a table. We have got a food, that is chicken. So let us show you our reviews in a few moments. Give us some time. So guys, sorry for I confused between the stop and start button. So now we are having some chicken and some grill. So the service is quite good actually. Sorry. So guys, we have received some watermelon, dim sums, fries and fried chicken. Tandoori fried chicken, they are very good. The service is way too fast in my eating process. And now we are enjoying food. The food is very good in quality and I'm very hungry, so let me eat and I'll show you the rest reviews. The service is wild too quick, so I like that. So let's see how the food goes. So guys, I've finished my starters and I'm thinking to get more because they were very tasty. The service was quite good and now I'm thinking to get more starters because I'm hungry for the starters. They were quite good. The service is good. Starters came very quickly and I had some pani puris as well. They were very interesting and my mother liked them most because she likes spicy pani puris and they were super spicy. So yeah, let me get more starters and let's see if this Pirates of the Grill reaches my expectations again in main course. So guys, this is the third update and I guess the second last update. So I've got some Manchurian, veg Manchurian and veg Hakka noodles with soft drink. And I think that I'm loving the service here and the food is very great, good. And I'm waiting for the dessert because I love desserts. In the morning also I had a very chocolatey breakfast. So just waiting for the dessert now and quickly eating the food to get on the last floor, that is the dessert. So guys, the dessert round starts. The main course and the starters were very good. The starters round was too well that I couldn't even eat the main course wholly. I had to leave some main course. I got noodles and Manchurian for the main course. They were very tasty and now I'm having some chocolate brownies as dessert. This is the first round of dessert. Then there will be a second round of dessert that will be kulfi. Okay? So see you later. Bye! Sorry for that unnoticeable video. So now last round of dessert and food is kulfi, very tasty kulfi. And overall experience of Pirates of the Grill was very nice. It was good. It was a good restaurant. Food was good and the service was quite fast. It is good to go to sometimes, but if you go all the time this only restaurant, then you will get bored of it and then you will not want to come here. So the choice is on you. Overall review, very nice, 5 out of 5. And now I will meet you with another short break because I think we are gonna go shopping or go home. So let's see what one of the two chances will come, home or shopping, because I need to go shopping, so I'll convince my mom. So yeah. So guys, overall reviews for Pirates of the Grill was the service was quite fast, the food quality was very good, and the most thing I liked is kulfi. It was very tasty. The flavor was, I guess, kesar pista. Very tasty and the service was quite good. And just one thing that happened here was that they messed up our drinks, but it's okay because they are also a human being. So from my side, I'll give this barbecue 5 on 5 or 10 on 10. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching all my journey in Pirates of the Grill. Hope you liked my other videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you guys like this video. Bye bye.